Hello everyone. So welcome to our Skype lesson today. So let's start with our new topic, statistic. Okay, let's take a look at the screen. Firstly, we can take a look at this. We have a table with age and we have another with cost. So with X and Y, our age is basically our X and cost is basically our Y. So we need to draw a scatter diagram with a line of best fit. And for every straight line, we're having a formula. A formula of Y is equals to mx plus c. And for the m and c, we can try to do it by our hand.
How can I use calculator to get the answer?
Okay, so now we can swap to the calculator right now. And we need to use the Excel to show the answer. So basically, we can just type it in the calculator with our X. And the second one will be our Y. And here, we just type in all the data that we are getting. 1, 2, 3. Here, we try to use this intersection point, and then we're moving on to here. So now, within this two intersection point, the enclosed area is 0.282.